So you'd see on the pant trouser, you'd see how I ironed the ST to it, the black ST at the back, before attaching all the parts I need to attach to the front. So where it cleaned off, I retraced it so it'd be very clear to see. Then measured half an inch underneath the line, rolled it over. We'll still do the same thing at the top part, so measure half an inch and roll it. So I made sure it was just bigger than it by, that's pocket size, bigger than it by, let's say, 1 inch on both sides. And then you see this part that is plain, that will be placed at the top before the line. So I ensured, can you see, before that line at the top. Remember I told you half an inch at the top as well. Then pin this down. So after pinning it down, I sewed it and stopped at those edges we measured. So that's why we measured it, I see. And then I would use my scissors to open it up to those points that we're meant to stop at. So I have to notch it to start cutting first. Hence what I'm doing now. So I'll just notch it open on the line. Then cut it to the edge. But before we get to the edge, you see what I'll do here? I'll make a V shape at that end. Let me show you, like this. I see, before I get to the end, a V shape, like before half an inch before the marked line, I did a V shape like this and stopped at that edge. Can you see? And I'll do the same thing to the other side as well. Okay, after doing this, we will now press it down. I'll show you how you press it down with an iron, a pressing iron. Make the V shape. Can you see? Press it down, create a half mark like that, half inch below, can you see, below the sewn part, and then turn it around. So after turning it around, you see the edge that has been ironed. So let me set it and you'd see it. So this is it at the back. So sorry I didn't mention the height of it. So you could do 4 inches on the top and the bottom part, or 5 inches, but depending on how tall you want your pocket to be. But you'd see how I'll maneuver the lining and make it look. Can you see? This is a one-sided wealth. If you want it to be one-sided, stick to that. You make it bigger and make it cover at the top. But if you want it 2 sides, you see what I did? I just did one. So that's why I ironed one edge. So if you want to, that's what you do. So now you sew this edge at both sides like this, lock it. And after sewing it, lock it, we'll bring that part I told you about that we joined.